Hi everyone, good morning. Today we're going to do unboxing with my new grinder that we've been waiting for so long. So let's begin. So this is Sette 270. That's the model. Let's go ahead and open this box. Take a look. In this manual, they have like different language, English and Spanish and so on and so forth. Right here, right? Okay. All right, next. Right here is the cable. And this is the machine. Right here. There you go. Got the machine here, and this is the cup, and what else here? All right. So this is our grinder. There you go, this is our grinder. Open or unlock, and this is how you close it. Nice, right? To unlock, you go this way. That's unlock, and you can pull it out. Right there. And then you want to put it back. And then this is how you close, right? And then this way is unlock, close, unlock. All right. So right here is the settings. This is how you adjust your coffee. And if you're going to make espresso or just a regular coffee, this is how you adjust by doing or following this number. As of now, I haven't read yet my manual, so I don't know. If you guys have like this, let me know. Leave your comments down below so that I have an idea also from you guys. All right. I think I'm going to try now. Let me know, and if you have any suggestion, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Right here is the manual and the guide how to use it in different languages. Take a look. Oh wow. The one that we use for a while, and it take me forever. Yeah, forever to make a cup of coffee. It took like months to get this order. So anyway, I think that's all for today. Guys, if you had sette like this, let me know. Leave your comment down below. I would love to hear what is your experience about your grinder. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye. God bless. Now let's grind some coffee so that we can start our cappuccino.
Que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz. Recupera la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timites me gusta, y con esas sencillas que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es, combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, te subo el pitch y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono, a esa reina necesito un trono. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, con esos besos, chica, me emocionó. Con tus besos y tu nivel, yeah. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres.